So I don't usually do 2 videos a day, but I'm really excited for Pokemon Week, so I just can't help it. I'm gonna do 2 videos today. So I'm doing all of the main series Pokemon geography stuff and Abydos along with them. So this here is just gonna represent Abydos. We're gonna do that first. So there is a city on top that has some ice, so then that's going to go up here. Same with Sinnoh. Alola should just really do more in the middle. But then maybe off to the side a bit. That's good. Galar does not work with the real world, so we have the rest of the Crown Tundras down here. And then, now this is just Chichester's right under the equator. As you guys know, that's completely freezing when by the equator it's supposed to be really warm. So Galar will have to be a lot bigger than it is right now in order to have real world physics. But Galar's not that big, because you can walk through it in under an hour. You might not be able to play through the story in under an hour, but you can walk through the region, down all the routes in under an hour. It's not going to take up a whole strip from the top of the globe to the bottom. So Galar's completely illogical with real world geography. So I'm going to put it down here, because I hate it. Makes things so much fun. Now, I don't know much about Unova, so I don't really know if we have many ice cities that aren't on top of mountains, and I can't even tell if these are mountains. Or if there are ice cities, I don't know where they would be. But it generally strikes me as a pretty warm region, but at the same time kind of not, so I'm going to put it up here. Like America. Like New York, which it's based off of. So yeah, it's gonna go here because it's New York. Why it's gonna go a little bit lower. Hoenn is also a really warm region, so it's gonna be by the equator too. Kalos has kind of an icy city, but I don't know where that is. I think this is Snowbell City up here. Can't really tell. Then if you can't tell how it's a star shape, I know not everyone can. It's like this. Oops, sorry about that. So then I'm going to call Kalos like that. Then Kanto and Johto aren't really warm, but they're not really cold either, so I'm just gonna put them there and there. But so we know they're actually like right next to each other. So there we go. This is it. I know Abydos doesn't have any detail on it, but you guys have seen the map, so I mean, not really the map. You guys have seen it, so you know what it looks like. If you haven't, then go through that playlist. It's so you can find out about Team Beat and what's it called? Yeah, like the map. It's I haven't done anything else. That's why I couldn't remember what it was called.